Snoring is an early sign of pathology and potentially sleep apnea. Now, I also want to be clear, not everybody that snores has sleep apnea, but almost everyone that has sleep apnea snores. So it's a two-way street, but the traffic is not even on both sides of the street, if you know what I mean here.
Yeah.
So what do you do if you snore? Number one, you really need to ask your partner, do they ever hear your snoring stop, or do they ever hear you stop breathing in your sleep? This is the number one way that we are able to identify and then test people for sleep apnea, which we mentioned earlier. So first things first, ask your partner, hey, do I stop breathing? Or if you wake up choking or gasping, don't hit go straight to your doctor and get a sleep study done because you probably have sleep apnea, and that's something we want to look at.